Alicia, and my project is a smart mirror with Raspberry Pi. And the smart mirror is essentially a mirror, except that part of it will have a monitor behind it acting as a display with a React app that has things like the date, the time, and notifications, and it's all powered by the Raspberry Pi. So for my first milestone, I assembled the Raspberry Pi, just adding on the heat sinks, installing Raspbian, and I also connected it to the monitor. And after that, I also downloaded the base code for the software for the Smart Mirror app, and I altered it to change the font as well as how I want to display the date and the time. And it's quite hard to see, but there's like the date here and then the time as well as the day of the week under it. And one bug, or one issue that I encountered was actually installing Raspbian because the software for it was outdated on Mac, so it wouldn't actually open and I couldn't use the imager to install the software onto my micro SD card. But luckily, other softwares worked, such as like the Windows version, so I just had to use a Windows computer to format the SD card for the Raspberry Pi. And there was also some small mistakes with like putting in the SD card and some of the cables, which didn't allow the Raspberry Pi to turn on immediately. But with just like unplugging, replugging, and cleaning all the cables, everything worked out fine.